Hard work, commitment leads for positive result. Disclaimer: Kumar ANALYSIS is an educational channel, so that whatever the discussion had here, the practice or practical. KA Excel practice is the trading efficiency. Those who have serious in trading, they must be read feedback carefully and plan yourself, else follow professionals. So whatever probability discussion had here, finally live market decide actual figures. So half reading, half watching injurious for your working capital. So please mind that while on you are watching, please go through complete video and analyze yourself and plan according to the situations. So finally, that is a profit club last year, the 2024, the batch. So that was to be the year 2020. The profit, it is about 66 lakhs with the help of 467 calls activated. So that is the rule of the trade is the 1 lot and 4 tools according to our profit club. Hi, good morning. I'm Kumar. Today is the 12th September 2024. So in front of you, WT Crude oil futures CFD, the live, the 50 minutes candle cycle in front of you, the chart, which is right now the trading, the live is about $66.64. So that after Europe market also open. So right now this is just active, the candle of red is the 66.64, that is the positive, the as compared to the today is the in green. So today is the special day, that is inventory weekly storage. Inventory will be declared after US market open. So first of all, that is today is the 11th September, the weekly storage inventory. That is 11th September, the weekly storage inventory. Street expectation is that this time is the injection, that is a 0.900 million barrels, whereas that is the last time was a big withdrawal what we seen here in bracket of -4 to 4.6. So whereas the last week actual withdrawal is about that is a withdrawal, so 6.873, that is the positive inventory in the last week. What about today? That to be the big matter. So come to the point in front of you, the daily data chart, which is showing the big fall. So from last 2 months, so that was to be the even that yesterday also big fall we've seen. This is a big candle of daily data chart indicating here it is about between 66.83 to 65.92. So that was to be seen yesterday, that is a 69.08, that is the candle, the highest 69.08, whereas that is the 65.27, the least. So that was the indicating here, that was to the bottom end. So that is the range of what we provided here, that is the last 2 months, that was broken already. So that what we discussed in the last week itself, and that we expectation of support is 65.30, that to be that in red, that what I'm providing here, that is a time will. So that to be that is really that is a big matter at this moment. But anyway, so that all together that supply and demand, so that are all to be the matter. So anyway, so this is according to that is my so long term basis support was to be that provided here, that is not a long term, that but is that when that last week I provided the 65.30, so that was supported, that yesterday we seen about 65.27, so that was supported. The candle of today is to be in green, so that is a little bit upside right now, trading at about 66.64, that is the matter. So that this is an indication of that is some support to be probability. So that was to be that entry of that BTST, that our opinion. So that was to be, so that our observation in practical implement a profit club call number 12. So that is a September month of 12th call. So that is the BTST call, the pre-planned the activities. This is actually our price is M6, that was our observation as the 5555. So that was to be that previous one, the now that is to be the pre-planned. So that was to be the expectation may not, that is different issue, but that is the activity. So 5505 is activated. So that was at about $65.30 at that time. So that was to be, so that the very closing basis of yesterday. So that was to be that is on basis of inventory and the big fall what we seen altogether, some risk we taken. So that was to be, there is no stop loss for that, and target to be prepared according to the 2 days plan. So that was to be pre-planned. So that was implemented here in front, and that is kept in front of you for our profit club. So that was to be, that is here the price was to be activated, and to be right now the closing basis yesterday is about 66.33, and today that price was holded till now. So this is a 50 minutes candle cycle here, that what we are seeing that now the red candle and the special day inventory. This is the time is the this is a time. So that the inventory is supposed to be declared after US market open. So this before that is that 21 DM is acting as a support, and the 200 DM is in 50 minutes candle is 67, 66 around, that is the 200 DM at this moment, whereas the 21 DM is acting as a support right now. They're about 60 to 66 or 13 near about, and now that 66 are about. So this is a matter. So that what I am saying, that is the on basis of inventory, and that is a big fall off, that is a big sell off what we seen. So according to that, what I so plan to be, that is some intermediate support that was to be, especially before inventory or after inventory, depending upon your individual capability. So that whatever that our observation for today is to be, support is it about 68.10 is our $68.10 is to be, not a 68. That is not a 68, that is a 65. 65.10 is our observation. This is initially planned, that observation. So that to be according to time and your position, you supposed to be maintain your discipline of stop loss risk. So that is a resistance. So resistance I provide. This is a cash price settlement yesterday 65.79. So down about 2.91. So big fall also we seen yesterday. So that is some support we can reversal is probability. So that all to be the matter, and that is about the resistance today is to be that 66.90 and 67.50 at the three stages provided here, but is it big matter to be three levels to be surpassed. So that to be the big matter. So only intermediate intraday support what we are observing the BTST calls. So that what we are, so that is stop losses yesterday didn't maintain. So but that today we supposed to be maintained according to your plan. So anyway, so that yesterday bottom price query, that to be that stop losses you can keep at about 65 point. So that what I'm saying, the 65.30 is the bot, and 65 point above 50 or below 50, that is your buying price to be not in risk. So that my plans to be is supposed to be maintained in that way. So anyway, so that don't expect a big way of upside, but this level also going to hope to be cut off. The probability is more, but not today. That is the matter. So see that why I am speaking according to that is geopolitical altogether, not a geopolitical, the global conditions. So the altogether that to be one of observation of last year's list is about 63.70. that to be keep it in mind. And this fall is to be that this is a daily data, the monthly data chart. So that was to be the key enough observation. 63.7 is one of observation, not for today. So this is supposed to be discussed in the weekend only. So that, but I'm keeping in front of you, that is that 65 is not a strong support. That what I'm saying. So here is in front of you, that is the profit club activity in the month of September. This is in this month. So that was the 13 cars activated at this moment, that is we are holding, that is especially the crude oil, the BTST, whereas the natural gas STBT, that is all are to be in to be live. So that was to be, that is a Excel practice only. That practice is our aim, and the practical is depend upon your plan and discussion, plan and activity. So altogether this is our profit of from this month, in this month is about 70,000 at this moment. That rule of trade is 1 lot and 4 tools. So in our group we are using the margins between, that is 1 to 3 lakhs because that is a crude oil need about 2.25. so that is the matter. So that is natural gas is about 45,000. that are all the way depending upon the regular margins. So now in front of me the WT crude oil features MCX Indian rupee price. So that was to be in front of me the 50 minutes candlestick. That was, this is the where that yesterday the least was traded is about 55.01, whereas that is your pre-plan plans that the price of the 55.05 pre-implemented. So that was to be activated. So that is I am showing here, that was so supported, and the 200 DM, that is a super trend here, the acting as a resistance. So that to be continue further more time. So that is, if you want you can close here the your profit taking. So that I am, so that whatever the discussion here, that what we added this I mean to say that discussion had, that to be that please maintain that discipline. So this is an update about that is a double take crude oil the Wednesday live on the basis of inventory. So inventory is the only that is a so nominal observation, but whereas that is the trend, and especially that sell off, that to be that is some support as expectation was done yesterday. So that was the to be support area that was to be activated here, the 5501, that to be that the activated price is to put to be the 5501, whereas the our price is to be 5505, that was activated, that our stop loss is above that one, the 5520 around. So that was to be, I didn't kept any stop losses at this moment. This is, but I am speaking in front of you that risk control stop losses, that is not a risk but a profit control stop losses, that is a matter. Now come to the point of natural gas. We are going to discuss according to that tomorrow inventory. So now in front of you natural gas, see if the 50 minutes candle cycle live Wednesday. So tomorrow is inventory, that price is right now they're acting at about $2.235. So that is the matter that yesterday the big way of reversal what we seen, that 2 times of reversal in the last to be the 10 days. So that are big matter. So that price is trading between that is a 2.10 and 2.30, that is the in terms of dollars. So that 20 cents variation what we are observing in this period. So that is last 1 week. So that was yesterday that what highest seen at about 2.258 is the activated, that is the our discussion the frequently we discussed about, that is the 2.3 is the big way of resistance. This is today's the resistance what I made is the 2.259 and 2.295 and 2.303, that is key enough observation for today. So tomorrow is inventory. So that is the immediate fall is the early hours of Wednesday is ruled out in my side. So that was to be that I kept the resistance of little bit upside. So to be a little bit upside only. So from the 2.4 to that is a 2.9 is to be not a much more of upside expectation, but the to be may not that, but that support area is about 2.18 and 2.13 and 2.103. These are all to be the observation. So that this is to be that right now there's resisting, but the really that is the strength what we seen, that is the last 10 days. So that strength to be not to be ruled out of any direction, but today is the sideways observation that earlier was. So that is my opinion, but we made it yesterday, that is to be that 3 calls we provide to be activated yesterday, 3 to 4 calls I think so. So that was to be that last was the carry forward position plan according to that high price what we there before closing. So that was to be made. So there is at about the 2.24 around. So that was I'll show in MCX price. So this is a candle that while on MCX closing time. So that was to be that activated on the basis of risk. So that is risk is still is the upside is expecting the 2 to 3 points in Indian rupee price. So that to be the matter. So anyway, so that was to be stop loss, otherwise to be that is key enough observation of inventory, that all to be the matter. Yesterday that we expected the gap down, if we hit any gap down, that to be the recovery. So that was to be supposed expected, but not a big way of downside what we seen, only a little bit of sideways observation what we are seeing here. So that was that position is holding at this moment. So that is the today that is crude oil inventory, whereas natural gas tomorrow. So according to the chart, and to be the early hours upside is to be not moving upside. So that is a matter. The position of in MCX, that what I am speaking here is that to be position of shorts are recovered yesterday the big way. So cash price settlement yesterday is about 2.233, and that is up about the 7 cents near about, and rupee dollar is at about 84 near about. So now come to the point, that is MCX Indian rupee price 15 minutes candle cycle in front of you. This is was to be that is here from this point there is today active price is activating between that is in range of trade at the in rupee terms of the around 1 rupee. So that was yesterday that what we activated this point. This is the closing time of that was upside what we see in that day high side. So that was to be 189.70 paisa activated. So that was to be that our price is activated about 189.50 paisa. That is the 11th call, I think so, the profit club. So that was activated call is existing with us. So right now, so that is our keen observation of that sideways observation is expecting. So that was to be that we will see that is what that the risk is to be we are in profit, the profit club in profit, so we will going to take risk that one. So we didn't recover that one STBT call is holding, but that I'm not sure. So that to be that early hours of drop any. So that is the matter. So anyway, so that was to be the in profit, the 2-3 points to be observation is necessary. That what we are to maintaining. So that was to be the. So here also that is in daily chart what we are observing, there is a 195 the highest price of our observation of resistance that was to be the hanging in that range of the last 4 to 5 candles here. See 192.50 and 193.30 and this is a candle of 193.30 this one also 190 this one, and the yesterday that was to be that 189.90, that is 190 is activated altogether. So now it is about 188.70, that are all to be the matter of upside. So really that is a technically somewhat to be different way. So here we are seeing the lot of blue candles, and what I observed that the shorts are recovered yesterday in MCX, that was my opinion. So that short recover means that the drop is to be expectation is to be that all matter anyway. So that not immediately that our observation higher side is trading here, that according to our chart. So before video closing, the live chart in front of you, that is a live trading platform that natural gas is trading right now. The live at about a time of the near about 1 o'clock, that is 13 hours Indian Standard Time, that was to be trading at about 188.70 paisa. Whereas that is according to my opinion that to be that higher side of 193, that to be that keen of observation. So today, so that we let us see there about the probability. So that whatever the STBT is holding, that to be that may cover, may not be covered, that depend individual. So that was the matter. So that here that the chart either live platform showing the somewhat to be the strength. So that is a pre-planned strength. What we expecting, that was to be that not allowed to be STBT at this moment. That is the matter. So that was the whatever the carry, that is different, that is the practice is different, practically different. Please mind that one. So come to the point about the WTI crude oil futures, that is especially the crude oil, the M6 Indian rupee price of 19th September expiry. So that was to be active today. So that on basis of inventory, that recovery what we see in the 56.18 right now, that what we bought at about 505, that was to be 100 points above profit is existing at this moment. But according to time we supposed to be close, so that to be depends. So that my observation is looking like especially here the crude oil is to be strong, and strong in sense, but only for intraday, at least to be according to the tomorrow, that to be observation before closing, that is the matter. So that is the only short term basis that reversal. So that what we are expecting. So that is still a sell off is to be continue in this counter. So especially, so that is a matter. Please mind that whatever this discussion had is on the basis of strength, the demand supply, and the present scenario altogether, geopolitical depends altogether to be intraday as well as that is the projections what I discussed here, that to be the conclusion today. So the rest is what the probability is. So please mind that to be the like and that share and the subscription is depend upon you. So at least this like share that to be that in your hand, whereas the subscription depend upon your activities in the market. Good luck.